Hello everybody and welcome back to the second best channel in all of crypto YouTube. My name is Jordan and I'm currently sat in my car on the way to the moon. Now, essentially what we're looking at for the Bitcoin over the course of the next 24 hours is probably going to get quite extreme. I'm expecting a bit of volatility to kick in. We're heading into the weekend. This period of time is always a volatile period of time, and that's why there's never probably been a better time for. But we're currently having a trading competition over on Phemex, which you'll find a link in today's video description. Currently, there is only 17 days and 13 hours left of this trading competition. It's very easy to sign up. Just click the link in today's video description and you'll be eligible for the competition. On that competition, you can prove to me that you're a better trader than I am on this trading competition. First prize gets $3,000, second prize gets $1,000, third prize gets $500. But this is where it gets interesting. 4th to 50th position gets a $100 bonus. So basically, if you don't lose money for the next 14 days, you can get off 17 days, you can get $100 for just participating. Even if you're not all that good at trading, you just need to place one trade and try and make sure that you didn't lose money from that small trade. And yeah, just sign up on the link in today's video description. But now it's time to discuss what exactly is going on with the cryptocurrency markets right now. Now, Bitcoin's price is currently $21,407 at the time of filming today's video. And if we zoom in on this chart right here, just kind of we just look at Ethereum. To be honest, Ethereum is doing the exact same thing. It's going sideways. We've on both charts, or rather on Bitcoin's chart right now, we've technically lost support on the 4-hour chart. Same goes with Ethereum as well. And if we drop down onto the 1-minute chart, you can see that basically over the past couple of hours or so, it's been heading very much to the downside. I would want to point out that at this current moment in time as well, if I'm just to draw, how do we draw on here? There we go, brush tool. That's the one. We go like this. We've got this head and shoulders pattern, or inverse head and shoulders pattern, arising right here that could potentially be playing out on this smaller time frame. For me, I'd say explaining yesterday's video, it's this level here that's very, very important. If we lose that $1,650 level, it's quite likely that things will head very quickly to the downside. And I don't mean lose it like we did here, where we dipped down to 140 for 1 minute. No, we need to close an hourly candle below that level, of which we did not close. Now, if I zoom back in on this chart right here, you'll be able to see we did not close the hourly candle below that level. I mean, you can't see it anymore because of this right mess that I've just drawn, but the point still stands. There you go. We did not close this hourly candle. We got bought up, and in fact, what we formed here is known as a bullish hammer candle. A bullish hammer candle is something typically, it turns the price around. So long as we hold the $1,650 level, there should really be no reason that we continue trading to the downside. I'll also look at the indicators right here, which, you can't really see them so well while I'm on my phone, but essentially both of these are going through a bit of an indicator reset. I imagine the 4-hour probably looks worse. Yeah, the 4-hour does not look great. If we do lose at $1,650 level on Ethereum, I will be shorting Ethereum. Whereas when it comes to Bitcoin, what are we looking at right now? Well, the same goes, to be honest. If we lose this support right here, you can see the MACD will currently go bearish if we lose this support level, and that will likely cause a drop down this evening all the way down to possibly even as low as $19,000. So just be careful right now, guys. Don't be going with too much leverage into the market. But of course, again, if you want to get $100 for absolutely free, just participate in the Phemex trading competition. It's fantastic. All you need to do is sign up, make a deposit, and start trading, and you'll get $100 as long as you finish within the top 50 participants. And if you finish 1, 2, or 3, then you'll make a lot of money. So that's fantastic. But on that note, guys, I want to know what you think is going to happen with the price of Bitcoin. Please let me know your thoughts in today's comments section. If I also look at Bitcoin on the 15-minute chart right here, you can see that they're just very conflicting of these time frames. So essentially, we're looking for, if we lose this yellow line right here, let me show you what that yellow line means. If we go over to the daily chart, that yellow line is quite significant because we've been holding that yellow line ever since we dropped back down to about $17,000. If we lose the yellow line, which is the yellow line of support, is highly likely that then what we'll do is form a higher low by dropping where you'll see the orange pattern right here on my chart. If I just highlight that for you with the brush tool, you can see right here. What I mean is if we drop through the yellow line, we'll go down to the bottom of the flat orange line, and that would basically be around these levels right here. And that would mean that we have essentially completed the dump from my perspective. It's also important to point out that when we're looking at the daily chart right now, if I get rid of the brush tool again, oh, it's such a faff doing it on my phone. I'll never do this again. Yeah, we're having some bullish momentum basically on the MACD as well. But if you are wanting to see more videos that are filmed in a slightly better quality than this one, and I do apologize, it's not normal that I would film a video like this on my phone. Generally I do it on my actual camera at my desk. It's just I'm in a bit of a rush today. We've got a lot of things to getting on with. Oh, we've even got a low battery on the camera right now. So guys, slap a like on this video if you appreciate the fact that I'm very busy. If you're wondering why the camera quality is going down, it's because the amount of work that I'm doing personally is going up very significantly. So if you wouldn't mind slapping a like on this video, subscribing to the channel, I would greatly appreciate that. And thank you all very much for watching today's video. Happy trading, everyone. Don't forget, link to Phemex in today's video description. Make sure you sign up for the trading competition, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.